Hi everybody. Excuse my this. Oh, I stayed up so late last night. It's Sunday morning. Well, Sunday about. Okay, it's 1 in the afternoon. This girl just woke up because I stayed up until 5 a.m. Yeah. Um. The bird. Our canary laid her first egg, and it's supposed to be 14 days after she lays her last egg. She won't really sit on the nest constantly until all the eggs are laid. So she's supposed to lay 1 egg a day until there's between 3 and 5 eggs, and then she sits on them, and then 14 days later we should have babies. Babies. I'm so excited. So, yesterday we took the babies to Keene, New Hampshire, Children's Museum. We had an absolute ball. It was so much fun. I mean, I love children's museums because they can just take off, run, and play. And this is a small one. It's in New Hampshire, and it's all just one floor, and it goes. It's like a big, long, straight, long. It has everything: little dentist area, veterinarian area, cooking, grocery store, farming. I mean, everything you can think of. They have a little area for each one. They had so much fun, and life is good, and things are good, and God is good, and I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I missed the live streaming on church this morning, so I'm watching it now. Um, they're done, but it's still posted, so I'm going to watch it now. And I'm just so happy she laid an egg. I love you all. Bye-bye.